Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful and subscribe to my channel. We talk about everything skincare, lifestyle, beauty, but majorly skincare because that's what you guys like. So yeah, we talk a lot about skincare over here. We talk about things that you should do, not do, the trends, all the things that you need to know about in skincare. Okay, you might have seen my hand moving a lot. So I'm going to be talking about two vitamin C serums today. I'm going to be talking about the Balance Active Vitamin C Serum. I removed this from the packaging, and then I'm going to be talking about the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Serum. A lot of you have asked me about vitamin C serums. I recommend vitamin C serums to people who consult and do product recommendation with me. I recommend vitamin C serum depending on what your skin needs. I recommend vitamin C serums. All right, so I'm going to be reviewing two products today, but vitamin C serums are a little controversial these days because everybody's hopping on vitamin C. But basically, what does vitamin C do to your skin? Okay, so vitamin C is an antioxidant. I think I will leave like a little clip on my Instagram. I have a video of what vitamin C can do. Maybe I'll leave a clip of it while I'm talking in this video. But it protects your skin just like the glutathione works. It protects your skin from free radicals like pollution, air pollution, the sun rays, and all of that. It protects your skin. It keeps your skin intact. So that your skin is not polluted by all this free radicals. All right, and hence it's going to, some people say it brightens their skin. It does brighten their skin, wherever it keeps your skin intact, so it looks like it's brightening your skin, but your skin is just going to be staying intact. Vitamin C helps some people with hyperpigmentation. However, vitamin C does little to nothing when it comes to hyperpigmentation. But some people swear by it that it helps with their pigmentation. But it still boils down to it being an antioxidant. That's the function. It doesn't basically do much for hyperpigmentation, but it does help with hyperpigmentation. Now, depending on the formula of the vitamin C, would determine what the vitamin C serum will do to your skin. All right, but vitamin C definitely helps to brighten the skin, but it won't do more than just brighten the skin. Okay, so if you're someone who doesn't fancy creams, you feel like creams make you sweaty, high like on your face, you don't want anything that's going to alter your complexion, vitamin C's are good to go. Vitamin C can be used by all skin types, all skin shades. Everyone can use vitamin C. All right, it keeps your complexion intact. It's not going to bleach your skin. That's why everyone can use it. All right, I love vitamin C, and so as we all love vitamin C, it varies from skin type to skin type, person to person. The effects vary. Okay, now the two vitamin C's here, it's all the same, but I'm just going to read the packaging. It's the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Brightening Anti-Aging Face Serum. I'm reading from this. It says it helps to fade sunspots, discolorations, minimizes wrinkles, refines skin texture. Vitamin C helps with texture. It keeps your skin plump. This contains hyaluronic acid, so it's going to help with plump skin. It helps to fade sunspots and discoloration, like they said. It contains aqua, glycerin, propylene glycol, corn gluten, amino acid. It contains a lot of glycol, glycerin, castor oil, carboma, phenoxyethanol, collagen, hyaluronic, sodium hyaluronate, fragrance, and all of that. Use on your face or neck. This is made in China. All right, that's basically what it says on both sides. As you can see, I have some of this left. It has a very thick like consistency, which is definitely from the xanthan gum. It contains hyaluronic acid, which helps with anti-aging and improving skin elasticity. Hyaluronic acid helps your skin to stay plump and supple. Okay, your girl is shining over here. It makes your skin soft and supple. It moisturizes your skin. Your skin just looks like a newborn baby. That's what hyaluronic acid does. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit and put on my skin. So this is it. It's not thick when you apply. It's very lightweight. It looks like it's going to be sticky, but it's not sticky. As you can see, it's runny. When you apply, you can feel that xanthan gum in it. It absorbs into your skin beautifully, immediately, lightweight. Okay, this works. It's a very affordable and good vitamin C. It does the basic things that vitamin C needs. If you're on a budget, you can definitely go for this. I think I got this for either 1,500 or 2,000 naira for that for this vitamin C. It does the work that it says it does. It's very lightweight, as you can see. It's absorbed into my skin. Sometimes I mix this with my face creams. I like the effect it gives, and it also doesn't really have a very strong scent. It's very, very okay if you're on a budget. You definitely can use this. It will not brighten, you guys. I don't know why I keep using the word brighten, but it will keep your complexion intact. It will brighten for some people. For fading spots, not really. Like, that's what vitamin C doesn't really fade spots, but it will just make your complexion very glowy and even. Yes, it will help even out your skin. If you're someone that your skin has white dots, patches, it's not really even, vitamin C will help with that. Okay, now my second vitamin C and my favorite is the Balance Active vitamin C. I don't know why my light is doing this, but this is Balance Active vitamin C. I hope you guys can see. Let me stay away from the sun. Okay. All right, so this is the Balance Active Formula Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Now this one helps. It's made to brighten. Okay, it's made to brighten the skin, glow and radiance with active vitamin C. Now they use the word active because vitamin C can be very, very unstable, and so sometimes when you formulate, vitamin C is that's oxidized. Day again, that's gone. It can be like that. So there are some much more stable forms of vitamin C. Ascorbic acid is not one of that. So there are certain things that you have to know about vitamin C. So one thing I like about it is that they use SAP, that's sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is a staple form of vitamin C. It contains water, phenoxyethanol, polysorbate 20, zinc, disodium EDTA. Everything about ascorbic acid, linalool, limonene, fragrance, everything tocopherol acetate. Why do I keep saying everything? The ingredients in this, it tells me that this is a very, 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 very stable vitamin C. Nothing is going to change about this vitamin C. You can see that they are usually stored in dark bottles. As you can see, both vitamin C's are stored in dark bottles, because if you store vitamin C in regular transparent containers like this, it's going to. Okay, now this bottle is more glass-like, and this is more of a plastic. Glass-like, plastic. This has more contents. Okay, it's thicker. This is more of a lightweight consistency, and that's one thing I like about this as well. Okay, and it says to apply on your face and neck. They used on the packaging, they listed that it's they use active form of vitamin C's, and I agree with them. It's made in England. Now this is made in England, Dublin, Ireland. Okay, and it's 30 ml. I think this is 50 ml. This is 30, this is 50. Okay, I got this for 5,500 naira from here in Abuja, but it's I think about 4,000 in Lagos, but it's 5,500 here in Abuja. And I only get this from one particular store, the Tulip store. I will leave their name somewhere up here. That's where I buy my Balanced Active vitamin C. They were doing a sales and I bought two. I think I bought 5,000 each. So is it 5? No, 4,500, sorry. Either 4,000 or 4,500. So I got two of this. I'm never running out of this. Now I use this mostly in the mornings. Days when I don't really feel like applying face cream, I'm at home, I'm going to apply this. Even sometimes when I'm going to work, I apply this and apply sunscreen on top. When using vitamin C, please make sure you're using sunscreens. This is my favorite vitamin C out of all the vitamin C's I've used. It's also on the affordable side. Don't know where you're buying from. Do you guys see that my hand has become really sensitive. Just that vitamin C I applied. Now putting my hand on this one, my hand feels a little thingy compared to this hand. And that's because I've applied vitamin C on this hand. So you definitely want to use sunscreen when using vitamin C, because I can feel like the sun compared to this side of my hand. Okay, now this is how this is. Let me take a drop. That's the consistency. Just going to apply little drops here. I don't want to waste my vitamin C today. I'm just going to take a little. Okay, so this flows immediately, so it has a very runny like consistency, and it's so lightweight. When you apply, it's as if you're applying water on your skin. Fragrance, not really. As you can see, you see this is not oily, it applies straight into your skin, whereas this is a little bit has more of a moisturizing and thicker consistency. Okay, so they both do the work that they're supposed to do, but this is my most preferred because of the consistency and the fact that it definitely glows the skin, helps to brighten the skin. Dr. Rashel does that too, but it wasn't really formulated to brighten, rather it does the work of vitamin C. I do love the packaging of this compared to this. But as you can see, they all have droppers. So if you're someone who's formulating vitamin C, store in a dark bottle and use droppers. You don't want to have too much contact with your vitamin C, and put stabilizing ingredients in it. This one I'm not sure has disodium EDTA, but this one does. But overall, they are very, very good vitamin C serums. There are other vitamin C serums you can definitely check out, but these are the two that I have used, and I'm stuck on this one, and I use this most times when I'm doing face creams. Yeah, so that is all for vitamin C serums today. If you have any question regarding this video or something you'd like to know, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer the question. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.